Problema niyo rin ba ang malaking bilbil at puson? For today's video, samahan niyo ako sa ating 5-minute quick and effective workout para sa ating tummy, ganoon na rin sa ating waist or sa ating obliques. Gagawin natin ang bawat exercise ng 30 seconds, no rest in between, standing only, kaya pwedeng-pwede ito kahit sa mga baguhan at pwedeng-pwede itong gawin kahit nasa bahay lang. Let's go. I-vacuum or hugupin ang inyong tiyan paloob. Always engage your core. For our first exercise, ang ating oblique crunches. Inhale, exhale. Core tight.
Halfway.
30 seconds.
Three, two, one. Work.
Other side, 30 seconds. Inhale, exhale.
Halfway.
Crunches.
Three, two, one. Work.
Next natin, knee to elbow. Higupin ang tiyan paloob.
Halfway. Three, two, one. Work.
Other side.
Halfway. Three, two, one. Work.
Next natin ang ating toe reach. Okay lang kung di nyo pa maabot ang inyong toes. Kung ano lang muna yung kaya ninyo. Core tight. I-vacuum ang tiyan paloob. Higupin ang tiyan paloob.
Three, two, one. Work.
Other side.
Halfway. Three, two, one. Work.
Next natin ang ating knee tuck.
Halfway.
I-vacuum ang tiyan paloob. Core tight.
Three, two, one. Work.
Next, alternating knee to elbow.
Halfway.
We're almost done. Stay with me. Last two exercises.
Three, two, one. Work.
Next natin, knee to elbow and toe reach.
Halfway. Three, two, one. Work.
Last one. Inhale, exhale.
Halfway. Three, two, one. Finish.
Gawin nyo to 2 to 3 times a week. Samahan ng calorie deficit kung kinakailangan. Thanks so much for joining me. I'm Coach Elvie. I'll see you in my next one.